So how do we actually make money fast in Waterpark Simulator? The first thing you need to do, you can see you need to run to this place right here where there is a research table. Make sure to unlock tips as fast as possible. Tips will make you more money after the shift is done. Make sure to also upgrade this right here, the ticket price level. Make sure to upgrade it every time you have that option. So for example, you can see now if I had that option, I would upgrade it right away because this will actually increase ticket prices and it will make like a huge difference. Make sure to also actually unlock the popcorn stand here as an example, but also I believe maybe it's right here. Well, there's the inflatable vending machine. That one is good to have as well. Let's see, where is the oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. The lemonade stand here is really, really good to have as well. There should also be, I'm not sure if this one is the same as the hot dog stand because you have a hot dog stand as well. And I'm going to show you what I mean. So this right here, this is a lemonade stand and a hot dog stand. You will make so much extra money by having these two right here. So once you have unlocked it, you can find it here on utility. So you can see here is a lemonade stand here. Not sure why I'm not able to view the hot dog stand here. I guess maybe I can just have, oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. Yep, here it is, hot dog stand, and here's the lemonade stand. I believe the hot dog stand actually comes without having to upgrade anything in the research table. But yeah, basically that will help you make money fast in Waterpark Simulator.